Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I'm trying out the little mystery box from Rossi, I'm not sure how to say it, nails. It came with a dip powder and 3 essential liquids. So I'm doing pretty much a refill on the old set, but I applied the base and then I applied my dip powder. As far as the base gel goes, like, it was all right. The base gel actually went on pretty smooth. The only thing I didn't like about it was the odor. It was extremely strong. My eyes burned so bad because it was just that strong super glue smell. But the powder though was so nice. So when I went to put the powder on, I was like, okay, this kind of makes up for the smell because the powder, as you can see, it just went on real smooth. It reminds me of double dip powder. It's just very soft and powdery type. As you can see, I made a big old mess with this because the container is so small, y'all, but this is their mystery box, so it does come with the like travel size or tester size. I believe when I went on the website, they have larger containers, so I think this process would have been much better had I had one, but that's okay. But as you can see, the nails, this is a really good application as far as like smoothness. I didn't have to do a lot of filing when I got done because it really did lay really nice. Now the base coat does take a little bit longer to dry than what I'm used to. So that's just, letting you guys know so that way you're not rushing to brush off the powder and end up with those crazy streaks. Once the nails were dry, I was karate chopped in the nose once I opened up this activator, y'all. This activator was so strong. It was straight up monomer. So, I'm not a fan of that. Y'all know how I feel about smells. But outside of that, like, the quality of the product actually seems really good. The only thing that bothered me about this whole process was the smells. And then when I did the top coat or the sealer, whatever you want to call it, that also had a strong smell. But as you can see, the nails actually did turn out pretty nice. So I would definitely purchase from them, but I don't think I would use their liquids. I probably would use someone else's liquids and their dip powders because the dip powders are very nice. But let me know what you guys think of these nails. And thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Mila B, out.